Hello everyone, I am Kumar Nendrambaka. I am a seasoned SAP Cloud and S4 HANA software developer consultant. Over 15 years of experience in information technology, specializing in SAP technologies and implementation across healthcare, retail, oil and gas, and manufacturing industries. This presentation explores the recent advancements and integration strategies in SAP S4 HANA Cloud and SAP Business Technology Platform, examining their combined impact on enterprise digital transformation. We will dive into the architectural evaluation, integration strategies, and deployment flexibility across on-premises, cloud, and hybrid environments, and industry-specific implementation across retail, healthcare, and manufacturing sectors. Our journey will cover the technical infrastructure of SAP BTP, including its platform as a service capabilities, development environments, and artificial intelligence integration. We will also evaluate the business intelligence and analytical capability that enable real-time decision making. Let's talk about evolution of SAP enterprise solutions. It has been marked by significant technological advancement and changing business requirements. SAP journey from its initial R3 system to the current S4 HANA platform represents a fundamental shift in the enterprise resource planning architecture. The traditional SAP R3 system, introduced in 1990s, established the foundation for client-server enterprise computing, but it was limited by its rigid data structures and batch processing capabilities. With the advent of in-memory computing technology, SAP introduced HANA in 2010, making a pivotal transition toward real-time data processing and analytics capabilities. The subsequent development of S4 HANA represented a complete reimagining of the core ERP system, optimized for cloud development and digital operations. Let's look at SAP S4 HANA architecture. The architectural foundation of SAP S4 HANA represents a significant evolution in the enterprise software design, built upon sophisticated in-memory database structures that enable real-time data processing and advanced analytical capabilities. The core architectural components comprise three primary layers: the database layer, powered by SAP HANA column storage technology; the application layer, which hosts the business logic and processing engines; and the presentation layer, which delivers the SAP user experience. This architecture facilitates the streamlined data processing by eliminating the traditional and redundant data storages, resulting in significantly reduced data footprints and enhanced system performance. The simplified data model reduces the storage requirements by up to 80%. With the embedded analyticals seamlessly integrated into operational process, organizations gain instant insight for informed decision making, driving operational efficiency and business agility. Let's talk about integration framework. The integration framework between SAP S4 HANA and BTP established a comprehensive connectivity layer that enables seamless communication between various enterprise applications and services. This framework utilizes the cloud integration suite, API management, and integration advisory to orchestrate complex business process across hybrid landscapes. The integration architecture supports both synchronous and asynchronous communication patterns, enabling real-time data exchange while maintaining the system reliability and scalability. Key integration patterns include application to application integration and business to business integration and API based scenarios, all secured through robust authentication and authorization mechanisms. Let's talk about deployment flexibility. SAP S4 HANA offers organizations multiple implementation options to align with their specific business requirements and IT strategies. The on-premises deployment model provides maximum control over the infrastructure and customization capabilities, particularly beneficial for organizations with complex legacy system integrations. The cloud deployment options delivered through SAP S4 HANA Cloud offers a rapid implementation, automatic updates, reduced maintenance overhead, while maintaining the comprehensive functionality and the security standards. The hybrid deployment model combines elements of both the approaches, allowing organization to maintain certain components on premises while leveraging the cloud capability for others. This model is particularly valuable during phased cloud migration strategies, enabling organizations to transition gradually while maintaining the business continuity and leveraging existing investments. BTP Technical Infrastructure. The technical infrastructure is built on a robust platform as a service foundation that supports multi-cloud deployment strategies across major cloud providers. The platform infrastructure is designed with a microservices architecture that ensures high availability, scalability, and security. The PaaS capabilities encompasses comprehensive services for database management, application runtime, connectivity, and security, enabling organizations to develop and deploy enterprise applications efficiently. The development environment within SAP BTP offers a diverse ecosystem of tools catering to different skill levels and development approaches. The low code, no code solutions, primarily delivered through SAP Build Apps, enable business users to create applications through visual development interface and pre built components. Professional developers benefit from sophisticated development tools, including SAP Business Application Studio, which provides a cloud based integrated development environment supporting multiple programming languages and the AI and machine learning integration capabilities of SAP BTP represent a significant advancement in enterprise automation and intelligent processing. SAP AI Business Services provide pre-trained machine learning models and APIs for common business scenarios such as document information extraction, conversational AI, and intelligent robotic process automation. The platform supports for generative applications has expanded to include capabilities for natural language processing, code generation, and automated testing, significantly accelerating deployment cycles and improving the software quality. This framework integrates with the popular data science tools and supports both structured and unstructured data processing, enabling organizations to implement sophisticated AI solutions while maintaining enterprise grade security and compliance. Let's talk about industry specific applications. The implementation of SAP S4 HANA and BTP in the retail sector has transformed traditional retail operations by enabling real time inventory management, personalized customer experiences, and predictive demand planning. Retailers leverage the solution to create unified commerce experiences across physical and digital channels. With the capabilities for intelligent store operations, dynamic pricing, and automated supply chain optimization. The platform ability to process massive volume of point of sale data in real time enables retailers to make data driven decisions about merchandising, promotions, and inventory allocation. Advanced analytical capability supports sophisticated customer segmentation. The platform's ability to process massive volumes of point of sale data in real time enables retailers to make a data driven decision about merchandising, promotions, and inventory allocation. Advanced analytical capability supports sophisticated customer segmentation and personalization initiatives. While integrated machine learning models help predict consumer behavior and optimize stock levels across complex distribution networks. In the life science and healthcare sectors, SAP solution address critical requirements for regulatory compliances, patient data management, and research development process. The platform provides validated systems that meet the GXP requirements and support FDA compliance while enabling advanced analytics for critical trials and research data. Healthcare provides utilize these solutions for enhanced patient care coordination, medical supply chain management, and healthcare analytics. The integration capabilities allows seamless connection with medical devices, healthcare information systems, and other regulatory requirements. The manufacturing industries demonstrates SAP capability to support Industry 4.0 initiative through integrated smart factory operations. The platform enables real-time production monitoring, predictive maintenance, and intelligent asset management through IoT integration and advanced analytics. Manufacturing leverages these capabilities to optimize production schedules, reduce downtime, and optimize quality control. Manufacturers leverage these capabilities to optimize production schedule, reduce downtime, and improve quality control through automated inspection and testing process. The solution ability to integrate with the shop floor systems and automation equipment creates a comprehensive digital thread throughout the manufacturing process, from design to production and maintenance. Let's talk about business intelligence and analytical capabilities. The business intelligence and analytics capabilities of SAP S4 HANA and BTP represents a comprehensive framework that transforms raw data into actionable business insights. The predictive analytical framework integrates advanced statistical algorithm and machine learning models to forecast business trends, identify patterns, and anticipate future scenarios. This capability is enhanced by SAP Analytical Cloud Embedded Intelligence, which provides sophisticated predictive modeling tools that can be applied across various business functions from financial forecasting to supply chain optimization. Data integration and management within the platform provides a unified approach to handling the diverse data sources and types. The architecture supports real time data replication, ETL processes, and seamless integration with both SAP and non SAP systems. This unified data management approach ensures that data consistency and reliability across the enterprise while maintaining the data governance and compliance requirements. The real-time analytics and reporting capabilities leverage the power of in-memory computing to deliver instant insights and interactive visualizations. Users can access live business data through customizable dashboards, embedded analytics, self-service reporting tools. The platform supports natural language query processing, allowing user to ask business questions in the plain language and receives instant visualization and insights. Advanced features such as storytelling capabilities, collaboration tools, and models analytics ensure that insights are accessible and actionable across the organization. Let's look at the commercial models. SAP's commercial framework for BTP and S4 HANA demonstrates a flexible approach to pricing and licensing that accommodates diverse organizational needs. The consumption based pricing model, implemented through the Cloud Platform Enterprise Agreement, enables organizations to optimize costs by paying only for service actually consumed. The model provides access to the full range of platform services while allowing organizations to scale usage based on demand. The pay as you go model offers even greater flexibility, particularly beneficial for organizations exploring new capabilities or managing variable workloads. Subscription based service provide predictable costs and comprehensive access to specific service bundles, making budgeting more straightforward for organizations with their stable usage patterns. These strategic pricing models deliver measurable business value with the customer reporting 30 to 40% in reduction in total cost. These strategic pricing models deliver measurable business value with the customer reporting 30 to 40% reduction in total cost of ownership. Organizations typically achieve ROI within 12 to 18 months through the reduced infrastructure costs. Average 25% savings. Improved operational efficiency and accelerated innovation capabilities. The flexibility to choose and combine models enables organizations to optimize spending based on their growth usage patterns. Feature trends and developments. SAP's feature innovation will transform enterprise computing through groundbreaking technologies. Quantum computing integration will drastically accelerate complex calculation solutions, will enable real-time IoT data processing at unprecedented scales. The next generation of AI abilities will deliver intelligent automation and predictive insights with a remarkable accuracy. These developments are complemented by industry-specific solutions that address vertical challenges, enhanced natural languages interfaces that transforms the user interactions, and comprehensive sustainability feature that help organizations meet their environment goals. Together, these advancements positions SAP at the forefront of digital transformation, enabling business to thrive in an increasingly connected and sustainable future. Conclusion. The integration of SAP S4 HANA Cloud and BTP represents a significant milestone in the evaluation of enterprise software solutions, demonstrating the transformative potential of cloud native architectures combined with the advanced analytics and artificial intelligence capabilities. This platform ability to support diverse deployment models, industry specific solutions, and flexible commercial frameworks provides organizations with the adaptability required in today's dynamic business environment. The extensive integration capabilities of sophisticated development tools and AI services enable organizations to accelerate their digital transformative initiatives. As emerging technologies continue to evolve and business requirements become increasingly complex, SAP's commitment to innovation and industry specialization positions the platform well for future challenges. The success of implementations across retail, healthcare, and manufacturing sectors validates the platform's adaptability and effectiveness in delivering the tangible business value. Organizations leveraging SAP S4 HANA and BTP as a foundational element of their digital infrastructures are well positioned for success in the rapidly evolving business landscape. Thank you for joining me today.